Whatever the weather, you can set the perfect driving temperature with available heated and front ventilated seats and climate controls. If your vehicle is equipped with heated and front ventilated seats, you can operate these when your vehicle is on or in accessory mode. The buttons for the front seats are usually found on your door, but some models will have the buttons near the climate controls. For the rear outboard seats, the buttons can be found on the center console. Depending on your vehicle, there are up to 3 modes you can choose from: heat up the seat back, heat up the seat back and cushion, and ventilate the front seats. Press your desired button to turn the feature on, and it will automatically turn on to the highest setting. You can adjust the level by pushing the button. Each press will lower the level until it turns off. Some vehicles are equipped with automatic heated or front ventilated seats that automatically adjust based on the interior temperature. This feature can be adjusted in the settings menu. But there's more. You can also utilize your vehicle's climate controls in combination with heated or front ventilated seats. Aside from air conditioning and fan control, here are the other climate controls that you can adjust. With auto temperature control, you can press the auto button and the system will automatically regulate to the set temperature, fan speed, and airflow direction. Dual zone climate control lets the driver and front passenger select different temperature settings if equipped. Some models feature tri-zone climate control where an additional set of controls allows second row, and in some cases third row passengers to set their own temperatures. Airflow distribution allows you to put airflow exactly where you need it: to the torso, to the feet, or to the windshield, outboard air conditioning outlets, and side window outlets. These buttons can also be used in combination, like if you want to direct the airflow to the windshield and the feet, while the Max Defrost button lets you direct airflow to the windshield with one button press. Recirculation sends already cooled interior air back through the air conditioning system, cools it further, and sends it back to the interior. And lastly, there's the rear window defogger, which helps melt frost, ice, or snow. Make sure your entire window is cleared before driving. With Cadillac's climate controls, your next drive can be your most comfortable yet.